Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Glam with Tori. I know it's been a while since I posted some videos. I've just been taking some time to do me, and also, I don't know if anyone knows about making videos, but editing them is really a long, drawn-out process, and so it's kind of sucked the fun out of it for me, but I'm trying to get back into it. I have been holding on to these for a while because I really wanted to make a video out of them, and I purposely have not used them since I got them because I wanted to show you guys the real stuff. Like, I even left them in the packages because I wanted to show you guys what the packages look like. So anyways, today is going to be a quick get ready with me video using Color Street's makeup line that they came out with. They don't have all the makeup products that you typically would have, so like they don't have foundation or concealer like that yet, but they do have highlighter, which I got the Balm. This one is in shade Superstar, and this one is the powder highlighter. It's the Illuminator, and it's in shade Celebrity. So I got both of these because I wanted to compare the difference, because I really have never used Balm highlighter before, but I also wanted to try something new, so I just want to show you guys the side-by-side what they look like. And then I also wanted to try their mascara that they came out with. They have a waterproof one, but I just got the regular one because I don't plan on using the waterproof one I don't typically go places that I would need waterproof mascara, but anyways, this is what I have. And then I also last time I did a video when I went to the Color Street conference, they gave us these lipsticks. This one is not the one that I got at the conference. It's a new one that I bought for myself. It's called Dramalicious, so I'll show you guys that. And then I also have the lip liner that goes with it called Sassy. So I'm going to do a quick little mascara, lip liner, lipstick, and highlighter for you guys. And then let's see what they look like. Let's start with the highlighter because I just kind of want to jump right into that. I'm looking at the packaging. It comes in this secondary package here. It's a little compact case. It says Superstar, and it looks like this. It's kind of like a lip glossy look. And then we're going to compare it to the Illuminator one, Celebrity, same deal. Looks like this. And it's a powder for sure. And they kind of, when I'm looking at them side by side, they basically look like the same color. I'm sure there's a difference, obviously. When you look online, they probably show you like a slight shade difference, but to me they look the same. So it's just a matter of whether you're going to use the wet one or the dry one, in layman's terms. Let's see if I'm going to use my finger with this balm. It comes off pretty easily. You don't really have to like press into it. So then I'm just going to do, well, I don't know if I want to do like straight on my nose, because I'm going to compare the two. Why don't I just do my cheeks? So I'm just going to do my cheekbone, like, I don't know, right here. I rubbed that in way too much. This is a first time I'm ever doing a get ready video for you guys, so please leave me alone in the comments. But here I'm trying to like show you. You can kind of see how shiny it looks. I don't know. I'm not like overly impressed, to tell you the truth. And then let's compare that to this powder. I don't know if I want to use my finger. I'm probably just going to use the brush like I always do. I'm just going to put a little bit on the brush. I'm going to go like this. And you can see it like you can see the shine all the way through. And then you go to this side, you still see the shine, but it's like less. So it just depends on how much you want. If you want to apply it with powder or the balm. I'm gonna go back over it. I know it might be too much for some of you people, but I actually just want it to feel even to me. And then I'm gonna go over my nose, and we're gonna go like this. Again, I don't really care if you guys think that I'm doing it wrong. This is just how I want to do it, okay? So leave me alone. All right. So I would say they're basically the same thing, except for the balm is a little bit harder to apply because it's a balm. And so I'm gonna let you guys decide what you think is best for yourself. But for me, I'm gonna do tried and true, and that's the powder. And that's that. So then I'm gonna do the mascara. This is the Triflex mascara. And let's open her up. It's an interesting tube, sleek. All right, let's see if I can get up close. And we're just gonna, this is gonna be hard because I'm recording this without like a huge mirror behind me. So, well, there's a mirror back here, but I'm recording myself. So bear with me as I try to put this mascara on with just my phone camera and like a little tiny screen that I'm looking at right now. But already I'm noticing like how full my lashes look. I know I'm doing that face that people do. I wish the angle was better, but I am pleasantly surprised by this one. I've been using the Great Lash Maybelline one for many years, and if we just compare the two, like obviously it's gonna look different, but it's kind of like more clumpy compared to this brush. And also I like that this brush is like more elongated. I know I'm saying like a lot, I'm sorry. This brush is more elongated than this one, and you can kind of see like how it would clump a little bit more at the bottom compared to this one. So like I said, I was pleasantly surprised just now. And let's do the other eye while I'm here. This is the most difficult makeup application for me not being able to see myself. But this is all for you guys. I don't know if this is even. You know, my left eye has always given me an issue, so. Anyways, I like the way that it applies compared to what I've been using. So if that is any indication as to whether I'll keep using it, I think I'm going to for now. And then lastly, my lips. So at the conference before, when I did the vlog, they gave us these free products, and this one is the primer for your lips. So I already put it on before I even started my makeup. So now I'm gonna do the lip liner. This one is in Sassy. Let me see the mascara though, because I think there's a name for it, or no. Actually, I lied. This is the waterproof mascara. I know I just bagged on it before, but apparently I bought the waterproof one. So if that is indication as to what it looks like, it's this one. I think the other mascara is a white tube, so sorry for lying there, guys. And so this is the Sassy lip liner. I'm having to... Oh, that's great. I broke it already, somehow. That's amazing. It's inside of here right now. See if we can get it back to where it needs to be. All right. Again, I'm doing this on my phone, so I'm trying to see myself while recording, and I'm doing the best that I can. So and just gonna do ever so lightly at the top. All right, that's a lip liner. I made it work, guys, so if yours breaks, just put it back together. It's fine. It's not gonna ruin the product. It worked just fine for me. And then lastly, Dramalicious Color Street lipstick. This one is a matte lipstick. The one that I showed you guys before, I believe, was satin or velvet. It was baddie. This one is matte, so here's what it looks like. I've used it many times over the past year or two, so sorry I didn't take a video of myself when I first opened it, but I wanted to kind of do a full get ready with me, and I just haven't had the time, so then I started using the products. But anyways, here's the lipstick. I'm gonna put it on right now. I'm not gonna do a thick lipstick because I don't wanna go too crazy right now. I'm just gonna try and keep it as light as possible, but still get the color that I want. There we go. And then I'll just do the edges on the bottom a little bit. And there's my get ready with me video. So, highlighter, lashes, lips. Hope you guys enjoy.